What's up, YouTube? Dirty Dan Municipal Man here, and I just wanted to make a very fast video in response to Mr. Random's Crown Vic Fatal Flaw video. If you know anything about these cars, you know that the steering shaft in the column has a bearing that kind of fails. So I'm just going to show you a very fast and easy trick that you can do to fix it. Excuse me, I gotta contort myself here. Alright, so here we are underneath the dash here, and this is your steering shaft that goes from the column through the firewall. And what happens is, okay, here we are, this little blue plastic bearing will slip out, and when it slips out, the shaft, which is designed to collapse, will literally fall out and you will lose steering. So literally, to fix it, you can use the zip tie method. It is quite literally all I did to fix it. Now, it's a little difficult to see because the lighting in here is not the best, but all you got to do is take a zip tie, wrap it around here, and pull it tight, and this bearing is not going to go anywhere. I have had this zip tie method holding this in place for, oh goodness, probably over a year now with no issues. And if you want to be even better about it, you can get a stainless steel zip tie, which is even thinner than these, and do the same trick. But again, this bearing was sliding out after I pulled the dash off to do a heater core replacement, and all I did was wrap the two zip ties around it here on this side, right where it says the locking column here, so you can reach them right around here easily and just pull them tight, and that will quite literally fix your issue. The right way to do it is to get the recall kit, pull the whole column out, and pin it. But if you need to fix it quickly and you want to make sure that it stays safe, this is the quick, easy way to do it. Again, you just need, well, a zip tie. You don't even need two. I just got two here as overkill. And again, this has been in my car for well over a year, probably 20,000 miles, and it's not moved a millimeter. So there you go. Quick, easy fix for the fatal flaw on these cars.